Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a homemade version of Cracker Jack popcorn, which is freshly popped popcorn tossed with caramel and salted peanuts. To get started, we have to make the popcorn. Add 1.5 tablespoons of a neutral oil to a large pot along with 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels with the heat on high. Add the lid and wait for it to start popping. When the kernels are popping, shake the pan every now and then to ensure even heating. Turn off the heat as soon as the kernels stop popping. Now add the popcorn to a large bowl and pick out any kernels that didn't pop. It's normal to have a few. Then add 1 cup of salted peanuts to the popcorn. To make the caramel, add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter to a pot, along with 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Boil this for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and quickly add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It will bubble a lot from the baking soda. Stir until combined, then pour it over the popcorn and peanuts. Gently stir together until all popcorn is evenly coated. Add the popcorn to a baking tray lined with a baking mat or parchment paper. Spread the popcorn in an even layer and bake in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Take it out and stir every 20 minutes. Baking it allows the caramel to harden on the popcorn, and it's important the oven is at a low heat so the caramel doesn't burn. You know it's done when the caramel is no longer sticky. Allow to cool on the pan and break apart large clusters if desired. And that's it! If you love sweet and salty popcorn, this is a treat for you. This stuff is very addicting, so beware. I know you'll love this even if you don't have a sweet tooth. It's not as sweet as it looks. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!